Hi everybody, it's Learning with Lori again. Today we're going to talk a little bit about posting to Posterous using email. And I'll give you a couple of hints and tricks. So there's three ways that you can publish posts to Posterous. You can use the bookmarklet, you can use web posting, which you find in the Manage Account section of your account, and the third way is by email. And by far, email is the most powerful and flexible way to do your posts. The whole Posterous thing is set up on the basis of email, and it can do some pretty amazing things. So what are the advantages of posting by email? Well, there's more than 2 billion email accounts in the world. So odds are you have an email account. Everybody understands the paradigm of email. Everybody has an email program. Everybody knows how to do basic functions in their email. So you're working in a very familiar environment. Adding links is a snap. Attaching files is a snap. One thing that's nice is you can create drafts and save them. Post them when you're ready. The other thing that's really powerful, I find, is being able to have a searchable archive of everything I've ever posted at Posterous. So, I mean, how wonderful is that I can go search stuff? And it is the most powerful and flexible method to post. You can modify the subject line and the to line and make it do some cool tricks. So now I'm going to give you 5 tips for using email to do your posts. First thing is get yourself a shiny new Gmail account, or Yahoo, or whatever it is you prefer. But get yourself a new email account, keep all your Posterous stuff in one place. I suggest you use a web-based service like Gmail, then you're completely portable. The second thing is using who you send it to control how and where your post goes. So post@posterous.com creates a public post and automatically shares to everything that you've set it up to auto-post to. If you don't want it to auto-post, then just send it to posterous@posterous.com. It makes a post on Posterous, but it's not auto-posted to all of the other places you go. Private@posterous.com creates a private post or a non-public post, and that will a dialogue will come up. You can set passwords. There's all sorts of things that you can do to keep them private. You can tell it to go to specific places. So, for example, you can do Twitter@posterous.com, and it sends it only to Twitter. Okay, it doesn't work. It doesn't send it to Posterous, just Twitter. You can also combine and say Twitter plus Facebook, or Twitter plus Facebook plus, WordPress or whatever. So that's a very, very powerful thing. So that's a very good tip. Another really good tip is that you can tag your posts in your email. And all you have to do is put bracket, tag, colon, and then any, comma, tag, comma, you, comma, want, separated by commas. So I can tag something as Apple, comma, Macintosh, graphics. And tagging is so good, and it helps you and it helps everybody else. So you should get in the habit of tagging. Here's another tip. Multiple pictures are normally placed in a gallery. So if you attach 5 files, Posterous automatically takes them and puts them into a gallery for you, a flash gallery. You can also you can use the same attachment method, but you can display your pictures in line so that they show up just one after the other. And all you have to do is put bracket, no gallery, bracket, at the end of the subject line of your email. It won't show up in the title of your post, but it'll that just tells Posterous to make it in line. The next tip is, do you have an auto signature in your email? Simply type #end at the end of the post, and it will eliminate your signature from the post. So those are the tips that I have for using email. I do encourage you to use email to do your posting to Posterous as much as you can. And thanks, and we'll talk about something else a little bit later.